Good day. So today we'll start our talk show. So, question number one: where are you now in your life, and how did you get here?
I am currently in the late adolescence and I get there because of physic my physical body develop also my morality.
So, okay. Question number two: what do you like about yourself and your body, and what did you not like?
I love my imperfection body and there's nothing that I don't like about my body because everything everything that I see in my body is acceptable to me and I am proud of what I have in my body.
Next question: what is about in your body and your mind that you are unhappy with that could be positively affected and you're exercising regularly?
Sometimes I am just tired of everything and also lazy, and I think it could possibly affect my regular exercise.
So, okay, what would you like to change, if anything, and why?
If I have something to change, it could be my laziness because if it can it can stop me from doing exercise, so I must I must prevent from being lazy and be motivated to do regular exercise.
Okay, for next is what is going into your life that would facilitate behavior change, inhibit it?
The only way that I can facilitate my behavior is by having a determination and commitment to in order to hinder from having a negative thoughts or anything that would possibly affect my life.
Okay, next, so where am I now? Where are you now in your physical activity level?
I think I am in the moderate physical activity for now.
Okay, so have you ever tried regular exercise before and failed to stick with it? Okay, so have you ever tried regular exercise before and failed to stick with it?
Yes, I have tried doing regular exercises and I have failed to stick with it because of this online class where there are plenty of activities to comply.
Okay, so next is currently what do you estimate your potential to stick with exercise program to be?
I think it is low to moderate because I am a busy schedule and sometimes I don't have time to do exercise program or activity.
What unmet personal needs and you're thinking of attempting to meet?
The personal needs that I need, I think it is the equipments for doing a exercise.
Okay, so next, are you ready? Really ready to try it? Would you really like to change even if it means giving up something I am accustomed to?
I am ready and I love to change my life to have a healthy body by doing exercise, but it doesn't mean that I should give up something like I usually do, like practicing Mobile Legends for this incoming tournament in our province, and it is a big opportunity for us to show our level of confidence and our strength and also to become competitive in the other teams.
Okay, next. So, do you think that you can mobilize to mental strength if that is what I want or need to do?
Yes, I can mobilize my mental strength, especially if I have a desire to obtain something and something that I need to achieve, then it is not a hindrance. So I should have a strong mental health in order to achieve those desires, and that can make me satisfied.
What has your previous experience with personal health behavior change been? Good, bad, some success, or none? Well, what helped you this time around?
My previous experience about my personal behavior, I think it is bad because I was very thin and lack of confidence, and it makes me weak. But today I I make it is as I inspiration, and it can help me to become stronger than yesterday.
Okay, next, so what can you learn from experience that will help this time, and you are being realistic about this?
I can learn from my experience that I should not do the same mistakes again, and also focus on my decision making in order in the end I will not be I will not suffer. I should be realistic to this today because I am now in the late adolescence, in in this stage it is how you identify yourself, and you should also be independent and more focused in the future.
Okay, so next is, what is your self image?
My self-image is I am benevolent and have a good heart.
Do you think of yourself as good looking, attractive, not attractive, healthy, or unhealthy?
I think of myself as a healthy person because thanks to God I have a healthy body and I am not sick.
So, next question is, what do you see when you look in the mirror?
When I look in the mirror, I can see myself as a kind person and also handsome.
Okay, next question is, what kinds of feelings do those images elicit?
The feelings that I can obtain in the image is I am happy and contented in my life.
If you are planning to exercise to help in weight loss or simply to shape up a currently out of shape body, will you able to use the fact that smaller clothing now fits and that waist is getting smaller as measures of success rather than scale weight, which might or might not change much even as I am redistributing body mass?
If I plan to do exercise and shape my body, I think the smaller sizes of my clothes will not fit anymore because my body develops due to my muscles.
Okay, so for our last question is, the further, if you are going to exercise primarily for weight loss, is your true goal to become really thin rather than somewhat thinner?
It is not my primary goal to have a weight loss and obtain a thin body because I already experienced it before, and it is not good if I will have a weight loss again because I might get sick and prone to illness. I should have a strong body and a healthy body, and that is why I should be do I should I should do exercises every day, and until I can and come up with a stronger and masculine body.